Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nina. Today I'll be doing a curly hair tutorial as requested by deepago. First off, I wash my hair twice a week only because curly hair does tend to be dry. I use Pantene Pro-V Curl Perfection. Shampoo and conditioner is the only thing that works for my hair in particular. I use the towel to soak up the excess water. My favorites are Garnier Fructis Curl Air Dry Cream as well as Dippity-do Girls with Curls Curl Defining Cream. I prefer using the creams over the gels only because gels tend to be sticky or stiff, and I prefer bouncing curls. I use both the products together. I use less of the Dippity-do because Dippity-do tends to be a little bit on the shiny side, which I'm trying to avoid. I go from my scalp to the roots. I add a little bit more to the scalp, and I use the pick rather than the brush or a comb because I find that the pick doesn't break your hair out, and it also is much easier to go through your curls. I prefer air drying my hair over blow drying, and so I leave it as is and put on my makeup. Once my makeup is done, usually the hair is fairly dry and I tease it. This helps to create volume as well as separate the curls. I do this by using my fingertips, and I make short back and forth motions. Another thing I do is I separate the curls, which I'll show you in a second, and this helps create volume. If you have any questions, please do comment below and I will get to you as soon as I can. This is how I separate my curls. If you're new, please subscribe. Please like the video. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.